Welcome to Buy Leads. I'm thrilled to guide you through harnessing the power of our B2C Local Business Scraper. Our database contains over 500 million local business leads. The possibilities are limitless, from sales prospecting to customized marketing campaigns and beyond. To embark on this journey, ensure you have a paid account at buyleads.com. Find the link in the profile. Once logged in, navigate to Find B2C Local Businesses, then proceed to My Lists. I'll demonstrate by creating a list for construction in Fort Myers, Florida. Type in the details and click Create List. Next, venture into Search for Local Business. Enter your chosen keyword. In my case, it's construction. Specify your country, region. Florida for me. In city, I'll type in Fort Myers Beach. While you can sort by reviews, I'll skip that step for now. Click Search Businesses and patiently wait for the results, bearing in mind that extractions are capped at 200 local businesses per search. Here's where our automation feature comes into play. Click on the Launch Automation bar once your search loads. This clever tool operates seamlessly in the background, adjusting its pace according to your internet speed. I've sped up this part for demonstration purposes. Notice how it automatically clicks Save this lead. Pro tip: if you're after emails only, you can manually review listings marked with the @ symbol by the reviews. For now, I'll let the automation handle the first page, as it stops at 200 leads on its own. Once the extraction wraps up, return to My Lists and download your file. The extracted data includes profiles with emails, phone numbers, and links to social profiles. Unlock the potential of our B2C Local Business Scraper and transform the way you approach sales, research, and marketing.